Hey everybody. Okay, so last time I worked on sort of increasing my understanding, and uh, I went over stuff, basically stuff that was part of the API and things like that. And I felt like I did gain a better understanding of what was going on. Um, and I also got understanding of some misunderstandings that I had, which I think those misunderstandings, that's like really big deal to be able to understand when, like, if you get an early misunderstanding when you're trying to learn something and then you build on that, it can be really really difficult to undo that. um, so what I wanted to do today was try to make this thing a little bit more like easier to understand. I thought it was a bit confusing, like when I first started using it, I didn't know when I could talk and when I couldn't talk. And I was talking about like having steps, but we already have this diagnostic messages section here. So I think, I haven't tried this yet, but I think that I can hook into that. So I can basically, whenever the user does this click, I can update the diagnostic message to say something like, please speak now. Uh, uh, Please say the color that you would like to, that you would like would like the background to be. Let's see if this works. Yep. So please say the color that you'd like the background to be. And so we got all of that, which was not what we wanted. Um, and then let's see. Let me try it again. Blue. There we go. And now, um, so this does the result, and yeah, I guess that's good enough, right? Like result. So basically, we didn't add anything. Let's see, on result. Okay, result received, on click. Then we have like on speech end, and then so let's see. The problem is that this would then overwrite the result if we were to do that. But I don't know when speech end happens. So done talking happens here, and then let's see, on result. See, on result happens before. We don't know that though. Yeah, colors, console log, colors. Okay, and then console log confidence. Yeah, so this happens and then this happens. So we wouldn't be able to say done talking and then still get the value. Um, let's see, and then but we could add something, right? We could say like confidence, a result. Where is that? Result received, and then we could add like click anywhere to update the color again. So let's try this. Okay, so I think at here we also need to do, we need to update the diagnostic message. So let's try that. And it looks like that's just what it starts with. Um, so let's see, we, we upload the color, or we say what all the colors are. Oh, so hint, inner text, inner HTML. So I don't even know where this style background, tap and click. So that should definitely, I think, and I don't know, maybe it's not available yet. Let's try this diagnostic text content. I don't know, maybe it's not available. Equals hints. Let's just take whatever. That, I think that was pretty well thought out wordage there. Oh, the problem is there's more to it. Um, tap and click, then say a color to change the background color of the app. Click. Please say the color that you would like the background to be. Result received. Click anywhere to update the color again. Blue. Result received. Click anywhere to update the color again. Teal. Oh, okay. So, and up here, it actually, that's where the inner text came from, or that's what that stuff is. So then maybe that is a bit redundant. So maybe we get rid of that up there. Okay. And then, maybe in the HTML, we can change the order. So that's interesting. So the hints, there's supposed to be hints, but we did not. The hints, for some reason, aren't updating. So let's do this. Oh no, that hints, what that is the hints. Okay, so maybe we can just reorder these in the HTML. Oh, I forgot to do the timer. Let me see. Okay, we're 6:40 in. Okay. Okay, so it looks, is there CSS? Looks like the style CSS might be. Tato div. Flow height is 100. Right is 0. Okay, so it's being, all these things are being placed specifically where they are. So I wonder if I just get rid of this, what we get. Oh yeah, I like that better. Okay, so click. Please say color. Yep. So I like that. Blue. Aqua. Brown. Chocolate. So yeah, I like that. I think that was good. Let's see, we're 7:40. That's a good stopping point. And then I think so. Basically, I feel like my ability to code within speech color has sort of gone from maybe a 1 to a 2 now. I feel more comfortable. I can look at the events and sort of understand what's going on in the events. So the next video, what I would like to do is dig a little deeper into the events and understand, because to be honest with you, I'm very surprised that on speech end doesn't happen before this on result. I would have thought it would end and then you get your result, but that is not the way it works. So it would be kind of cool to sort of have all the events. So when we look over here in this and we see all these ons, on end, on audio start, on audio end, and just basically have sort of timings on all of them so we can get a better, so we can get a better understanding of when all these events fire. That is always useful to learn. But so we are at 9:04, so this is a great time to stop. Happy coding, everybody. Bye.